What's up everyone, welcome back to the second channel. So I made that video not too long ago, actually it was a couple months, on how to fix your Nintendo Switch not charging, and a lot of people were obsessed with that tutorial. So I figured I would do the same thing with a joystick problem. Now for my specific unit, I did have some joystick issues. If you watch my full Nintendo Switch tutorial or Nintendo Switch review and multiple other videos about the Nintendo Switch, you might have noticed that my joystick on the left was actually really weird, and there was some really weird issues with it. As you can see, it's kind of messed up still. It's not as bad, but there's a lot of drifting going on with this joystick. Not so much this one, but I'll go ahead and show you guys how to fix it. It's a super easy method. You don't need to take anything apart. Now this is kind of more so temporary, I would say. I fixed it, but then it went away again, and I figured I might as well do it. And I want to give a shout out to Nintendo Drew for actually kind of finding out this method too. So if he found out, then whatever, but give him props because this is how I found out. The first thing you will need is actually this thing called isopropyl alcohol. Now you can get any percentage. I got 70%. Now you can get this from like Walmart or wherever. I specifically got mine at, it's a little dark, I specifically got mine on Amazon, so I'll leave a link in the description, an affiliate link, so I will get paid if you buy something on there. But I'll go ahead and leave that down there. If you want to get it from there, you can get it from Walmart, doesn't matter. And then you just want to cotton swab it as well. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and kind of disconnect that specific Joy-Con from your Switch, and you want to go ahead and open up a little bit of isopropyl, whatever alcohol, whatever this is. Go ahead and pop the top on this, whichever way you want to. Oops. Oh my god, that stuff is strong. I should not have put my finger through that. But what you want to do is you want to go ahead and kind of coat the inside of the cotton swab with just a little bit of this alcohol, as you can see. Don't drink it, alright? Now what you want to do is within that Joy-Con, you want to go ahead and rub around the specific Joy-Con. You want to kind of get it everywhere all up in that. Don't get it too wet. You don't want your Joy-Con to like not work anymore. But you kind of want to rub around it. As you can see, you just want to get all sides of it. Go and get inside of it. Go and get outside of it, as you can see. You want to go ahead and kind of move it around a little bit. As you can see, you might see some Joy-Con. You can see some drifting going on still. Actually, you might have been able to. It seems to be kind of fixed a little bit. And you want to let it dry, of course. You want to mess with it while it's still, wet. And you don't need a crazy amount. And you can do the same exact thing for the other side as well. As you can see, go and rub all the sides around it. Just like how I'm doing it here. You don't need too much. Just a little dab of it will do. And that's really pretty much it. That's all you need is the isopropyl alcohol and just a cotton swab. And go ahead and rub around that specific Joy-Con. Go ahead and move it around a little bit as well. And like I said, it might take a minute for it to, fix and stuff. Nintendo did a really good mock-up of how this actually kind of fixes things. Now if it's still not working, because it did work for me at first, but then it stopped working recently, as you guys might have seen. So you can go ahead and try this method, see if it works. If it does, that's awesome. If it doesn't, you might actually have to go get another Joy-Con or something like that. But that is pretty much the tutorial, it's nothing too crazy. As you can see, my thing works. There might still be some drifting, occasional drifting here and there. But for me, it was a really big issue at first, but now it seems to be working fine. As you can see, there's still a little bit of drifting up and down. But over time, that'll get fixed a little bit, and it seems to be kind of working a little bit now. As you can see, the right side still works too. So if you guys run into any issues or if it doesn't work for you or anything, let me know in the comment section below. But so far, it seems to be working for the most part. As you can see, it's all okay. The left one was the one I had the most amount of issues with, but let me know in the comment section below. Hit that like button if you guys enjoyed the video, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel. All those links are linked down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys could check it out. But more importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.